The world around us is changing rapidly. Technologies that seemed like distant visions just a few years ago are now part of our everyday lives. We are witnessing a technological transformation, and we need to understand what these changes mean for us. One of these groundbreaking developments is virtual reality, a gateway into immersive worlds that are revolutionizing both our private lives and our work. Technology companies are investing significant sums in exploring these new worlds. But what impact does virtual reality have on us? With the growing trend, the importance of understanding interaction with virtual environments is becoming ever more relevant. At the heart of our project is the Iowa Gambling Task, a psychological experiment used for decades to analyze decision-making processes. Our goal is to understand human reactions to rewards and losses and link them with biosignal data. We've recreated the Iowa Gambling Task as a classic computer game and brought it into the world of virtual reality. The Iowa Gambling Task is a card game where participants choose from 4 decks, each hiding unknown rewards or penalties. Our aim is to gain deeper insights into the subconscious decision-making process by measuring biosignals like heart rate and sweat activity. Combining virtual reality and biosignals allows us to analyze emotions and decisions in real time, offering precise observations. It's crucial to see if decisions are made subconsciously earlier and how they differ from traditional decision-making situations.
We've progressed through various prototypes using different tools to reach the final 2D game and a virtual implementation similar to the KD2 lab. Additionally, it required an interface to visualize the collected data on our own website. With this technical foundation, we've built a solid base for an insightful experiment.